Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to turn on global features on Tinder for Android. And for that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before. Tap on the Tinder. Okay, after that you can click the photos or the symbol in the upper of the left corner. And let's go to the settings. Okay, slide away until you find about the global is. The global is going global will allow you to see people nearby and from around the world. And if you want to turn on it, you can just tap on beside the global is until has the red one. And now your Tinder has a turn on global features. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to turn on global features on Tinder for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.